The total number of new cases is 270. East Khas Hills 195, West Garo Hills 26, Ribhoi 19, West Jaintia Hills 10, Southwest Garo Hills 7, East Jaintia Hills 6, North Garo Hills 3, East Garo Hills 2, Southwest Khasi Hills 1, and West Khasi Hills 1. The total number of active cases till date is 2,371. Out of this, 1,690 are in East Khasi Hills, 32 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, 1,658 from the others category. West Khasi Hills 11, Southwest Khasi Hills 17, Ribhoi 288, 44 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, and 244 from the others category. West Jaintia Hills 40, East Jaintia Hills 44, West Garo Hills 193, 40 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, and 153 from the others category. 41 from Southwest Garo Hills, 10 South Garo Hills, East Garo Hills 15, and North Garo Hills 22. The number of recovered cases today is 115. East Khas Hills 71, West Khas Hills 31, North Garo Hills 5, Ribhoi 4, Southwest Garo Hills 3, and East Garo Hills 1. The total number of recovered cases till date is 4,606. There is one person who passed away today from Ribhoi district, and that is one death, which now the total number of deaths now stands at 60. The total number of persons tested till 2 p.m. today is 1,63,061. The total number of persons who tested negative is 1,56,024. The number of tests conducted on 5th October 2020 is 2,289. And the number of entrants from outside of the state into Meghalaya is 44,554. This is still 2 p.m. today. East Khas Hills 195, Gulf Links Cluster 8, Health Workers 6, High Risk 61, Home Guard Complex 21, Jaya Cluster 2, Laban Cluster 7, Lumoba Cluster 11, Maulai Yorunghab Cluster 1, Maulai Mauro Cluster 11, Maulai Mautawar Cluster 7, Maulai Nong Padang Cluster 1, Maulai Cluster Maupat Cluster 1, Mauprem Cluster 6, Nightingale Training Center 1, Nongse Cluster 6, Nongmansong Cluster 1, Police Bazaar Cluster 2, Pulu Cluster 1, Rilbong Cluster 13, Rinja Cluster 1, Umlinka Cluster 7, Umpling Cluster 3, Upper Shillong Cluster 17. North Garo Hills 3, high risk cases. Ribhoi 19, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces 1, high risk 18. Southwest Garo Hills 7, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces 1, high risk 1, Mahendraganj Cluster 5. Southwest Khasi Hills 1, all high risk. West Garo Hills 26, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces 18, high risk 4, random sampling 2, returnee 2. West Jaintia Hills 10, high risk 9, for screening purpose 1. West Khasi Hills 1 is a high risk case.